One thing we specialise in here at UK Aviation Services is upgrades and modifications of aircraft. One thing I cannot stand is when we are told you cannot do something because it's on an aircraft. The best thing to do is go out and find out what's out there today, find out what equipment's going to help us, bring design teams in with our engineers, in with the specialists for that particular component, bring everything together and produce a modification that means that customer gets the right equipment for today installed on their aircraft at a reasonable rate. It's often cheaper to put a new style of equipment on than something that's already approved, and it does it in a much more efficient manner. We've done digital recording systems for Sikorsky S-76s. When we were told we couldn't do that, we achieved that quite quickly. We saved the customer a lot of money in doing that. Other things we've done, we were brought in by one of our operators at the start of COVID to install an ion distribution system onto a 109. An ion distribution system is a system that will kill the pathogens that are floating in the air within the aircraft. And the ion distribution system we fitted has been tested against multiple pathogens and has been proved to be well into the 90% effective range against all pathogens. We introduced this system during COVID, during lockdown. We had the system EASA approved by our sister company UK Aviation Design Services. We had the system installed and the aircraft was out operating in a very short space of time after the request came from the customer.